This is a herniated disc from a $17,000 settlement I have involving a car accident with very little or not too much property damage to the car. Jay-Z Helps of Florida Injury Law Firm. You can see the herniation there, C3, C4. The C stands for cervical, your neck. 3, 4 is the level that it happened at. Level 3, level 4. There's another one at C5, C6 right there.
Hi, my name is Chanel, and this is just a short message because I would like to speak to you about Justin. I heard about Justin as a referral from my mom and dad because my mom and dad many years ago got into a car accident. And when my mom and dad got into a car accident, my mom struggled to find someone trustworthy, someone that she could depend on, someone that could really help her and give her the best advice that she could get for her and my father. When that case settled, many years later, her youngest daughter, me, got into a very bad car accident, giving me massive herniated and bulging discs on my neck and my back. This happened about 2 years ago when I was 20. 2 years later, I am 22. The amount of time and dedication that Justin has given towards my case and to give me the information, to patiently explain it to me, being that I'm so young and I'm not an attorney myself, the patience of having to repeat certain things over and over and to answer all of my questions and to keep me informed on everything of my case has made him by far the most exceptional attorney. I would recommend him to absolutely anybody who really wants to have a great, worthwhile attorney that will really sit down and keep in contact with you and give you the best help and advice that you need. Thank you, Justin.
Please subscribe to our channel and watch our other videos, and I plan on making many, many more videos. My name is Justin Ziegler. My office is in Miami. I serve the entire state of Florida. Have a beautiful day.